friends, welcome to Backyard Organics. This is our second video. We'll do a little bit of a garden tour. Might not get through the whole thing. The sun's not exactly in the ideal spot right now, but we'll go through some stuff. Here we have, this is common milkweed. As you can see, it's kind of taken over, which is okay. For the longest time, milkweed was demonized and sought to get rid of, as common milkweed spreads through the root system as well as by seed. So farmers, ranchers don't like it, didn't like it. So which actually resulted in the heavy decline of the monarch population. This is the only plant that the monarch caterpillar will eat. It's the only plant that the monarch butterfly will lay its eggs on. Milkweed in general, not just common milkweed, but all different types of milkweed. So it's super important. And not only do monarchs use it, but there's a small bug on there. I thought he was stuck. But all types of pollinators use the flowers. The monarch caterpillars, maybe we'll see one today, will actually eat the leaves, which is where they get their bad taste from. The milkweed, this is why it's called milkweed. I'll just take that leaf off. Looks like milk. It tastes bad. Monarch caterpillars only eat this, so they taste bad. The monarch butterfly tastes bad because of the milkweed that the caterpillar ate. Birds know that they taste bad. There's actually a butterfly that mimics the colors of the monarch, which is called the viceroy. Oh, there's a monarch right there. Speak of him. Were you able to get him, Jacob? Anyway, maybe not. Maybe you're able to see him, maybe not. But we'll keep her moving. We just got to make our way. So mostly with the milkweed, I just work around it. And yeah, I got some weeds, I got thistles, whatever, no big deal. I just try to keep that kind of stuff from spreading. And I could mow all this down, but I get worried about taking out not only monarch caterpillars, but monarch chrysalis, the monarch chrysalis, which is the cocoon. Interesting fact, the moths make cocoons, butterflies make a chrysalis. The biological difference between those, I don't know, but there is a difference. And then in and amongst all the weeds, we have corn. A little bit of corn. I got it in late. It's weedy, but that kind of stuff I don't really worry about. I'll get some stuff out of it, but it's stuff like that's mostly for habitat. And if Jacob can get a close-up in here, I have, can you see the clover? All of this is clover, which takes atmospheric nitrogen and fixes it into the soil for not only it to use, but other plants to use. Corn is a heavy nitrogen feeder, as is asparagus. We have our field of asparagus. Got some thistles in there. I got to make sure that those seeds don't spread. I'll get on that soon. I'll probably share that with you guys, how I go about doing that. Ideally, we would pull them before they get to that spot, but I have not. So I'll share with you how we try to keep the seeds from spreading and try to keep the plant competition, the weed competition, to a minimum. I think that is a good start to our garden tour. We can pan back over here, Jake, and check out the raspberries, and then we'll do the rest of the tour in part 2 and save our editor a little work, trying to keep it short. Planted these raspberries just last year. This is actually a different variety that for whatever reason hasn't produced. It's working on it. This is called Fall Red. They're supposed to be producing raspberries in the fall. And I've seen these buds before, but they've never amounted to much. Well, we'll see what happens. But the Boyne raspberries are doing quite well. And like I said, we just put these in last year, and they have really come about and will probably need to be thinned out here in the near future. Jake, we can check out one more thing here. Let's show them the comfrey. We got another big, this is just, I didn't plant this. This is just clover that was here. Again, fixing nitrogen out of the air into the soil. Other plants to use it. Comfrey. Not native. We're in southeast North Dakota. I may have failed to tell you that. But this is not native to here. This is Bakken 14 comfrey. But it's what's known as a dynamic accumulator. It has a taproot that can go several feet deep and draws in all the nutrients from the soil and brings it up into the leaves. These plants can literally be chopped down several times over the season and they'll be just fine. They'll continue to mine nutrients. Then I got asparagus in with strawberries. These are Ozark Beauty strawberries. Thistle discard. And then here's a pollinator friend that Jacob probably won't be able to get. Oh, here's our butterfly again, right here. Can you get him, Jimbo?
Yeah, I got him.
Hello, my friend. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but look, his one
I got
wing,
it perfect.
his one wing is a little bit nipped on, and I'm guessing a bird tried to grab him and decided he tasted bad. What a perfect example of nature's way. That is a good note to end on. Thank you for joining us, my friends. Please like and subscribe. We'll do a part 2 of the garden tour. I got lots more stuff to show you guys. Lots of stuff for us to learn together. Hopefully we'll see more butterflies. I saw a tiger swallowtail the other day. They usually don't come around till later in the summer, third week of July, which is about right now. Anyway, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.